In this video, we'll walk through the Competitions tab under BuddyBoss Gamification settings. These settings let you run time-based challenges where members earn points, achievements, and rewards for completing actions in your community. Let's get started. First is creating a competition. Click Add New Competition to set it up. Start with the competition name, which is used to identify it in your dashboard, such as Weekly Engagement Challenge or Reward Rally. Next is User Action. This defines what members need to do, such as logging in, posting in activity feeds, joining groups, sending messages, or completing LearnDash events. You can also set the number of actions required to control how many times the action must be completed before it counts. Then configure the rewards. You can award points by entering a value and selecting a point type like gems or crystals. You can also award an achievement when the competition is completed, or unlock content such as social groups or LearnDash courses. Finally, set the duration by defining the start and end date and time for the competition. This makes it time limited and automatically controlled. Below that is completed competitions. Here you can review finished competitions, see participant activity, and view leaderboard results. You can expand each competition to see detailed performance data and winners. And that's how you set up competitions in BuddyBoss Gamification. These settings help you create engaging challenges and reward member participation across your community.